Hey mamas, my name is Patricia. I just finished the Free Mama Movement course. It was phenomenal. I learned so much. I have so much more confidence than I used to. Um, you can totally do this, like without a doubt. I have been out of work for a year and a half now. Before that, I was working at a grocery store, and then I was a preschool teacher before that. So, if you think that you can't do it, like, you totally can. I am doing this because I have my 1-year-old at home, and I personally do not feel comfortable leaving her at home or leaving her with somebody else. I mean, I leave her with my mom all the time, but I don't feel comfortable leaving her for an extended period of time every single week, 40 hours a week, for us for me to make money to contribute to our household. Anyway, so I 100% recommend the Free Mama group or the Free Mama movement course, because it is absolutely amazing, and you learn so much, and you learn to do so many different things that you didn't think you could do before. But it totally shows you that you can do anything that you set your mind to. And thank you for your time.